Hello guys, so I am going to teach you how to add realistic guns in your Roblox game. Go to Toolbox and search ACS. Then press the first thing you see. Then press OK. Then put the models in the right place. There I'm going to put it there, ungroup that and ungroup that to workspace. Ungroup here in replicated storage. Here on starter player scripts. Then here in character scripts. Then here in server script service. Here in tools. Here in starter packs. You can delete the ones that you don't want them to have. Then minimize that. Then put this on server script service again. Then delete this. Then put this in sound service. Then that's it. Delete it. And let's see. Let's play it. So here is the guns. I do not know why it's not working, but it should be working if you did the right thing.